Additionally, there's a shortcut for easy access to all your repairs displayed, featuring reporting graphs for enhanced visualization. Click the equipment to initiate the job. Generate the NHVR report to maintain compliance and monitor vehicle performance, critical for operational integrity. Create a utilization report to analyze equipment usage patterns, supporting data-driven decisions. To access recurring expenses, navigate to the expense options found within the options menu. The following items relating to expenses and adding services are strictly admin-only tasks. Expenses can be added against equipment, ensuring better financial management and oversight. Use the plus icon in the top toolbar to add a new recurring expense. Note that if a parent category is chosen for a recurring expense, its child categories are processed along with the parent category. The system generates an expense according to the configured frequency, drawing from the equipment or categories specified within the designated start and end periods. It's important to note that expenses are only created during this specified time frame. Recurring expenses can be configured against either categories or specific equipment. If the main categories are selected, the expense will apply to child categories linked to them, removing the need to select multiple levels of categories. If the categories field is chosen, the equipment field is hidden. Similarly, if equipment is chosen, categories is hidden. Both fields return if the selection is removed. According to the example shown on the screen, an expense will be generated for each equipment in the selected category or child categories. Based on the start date, an expense will be created for August for all equipment per month until today's date or the end date. If the end date is not reached, the system will generate new expenses every month until the end date is reached.